Hey, what's going on, everyone? It is Bruno Marini, and I'm here to actually show you guys today how to actually convert your Facebook personal page into a Facebook business page slash fan page very fast, very simply, and without having to actually start over and start just posting and inviting. Okay, so this is short and it's also fun, but it's very effective, and here's why. On your personal Facebook profile page, you actually have a limit of 5,000 friends. Okay, so you can't really have anything more than that. And as you're actually growing your brand, you will eventually get to more than 5,000, right? So what you can do is have a Facebook fan page or a business page, but you have to actually build up to that, and it takes a long time. So I'm going to show you guys a trick right now on how you can actually transfer your friends over and create a business page based on your public page, and then from there have essentially unlimited friends without having to start over. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to google.com, and then on the search bar, it's so simple, like it's insane. You're going to go to convert Facebook page to business page. So if you can see here, it says it right there. Press that one. And you're not watching this YouTube video because, well, you're watching the YouTube video right now. And you're going to scroll down here to the one from Facebook right here, right? So convert your profile into a Facebook page. Press that one. And then it essentially asks you why. It asks you these three things. So if you're seeing this, you're at the right place. You're going to press, how do I convert my profile? And you're going to scroll down to where it says, create a Facebook page based on your profile. Okay, so you will actually simply just press this right here. And it'll actually sort of have like this, I guess, a page similar to this. But it'll say, let's create it, okay? And so obviously, since I did this with my page about, I don't know, a few years ago, I can't. But if you haven't done that yet, I recommend you do it. I promise you it'll save you a ton of time. Now, next thing I will say is I did this with actually a family member last week, I think, and it actually took her Facebook about like a whole day to actually process, but eventually it happened. And it literally shifts all your followers that you have as friends and makes some followers of that page. So you don't have to do any inviting, anything of that sort. Okay, so that's essentially it. It's how simple it is, and I hope it adds a lot of value to you, your business, your brand, and then from there on, sky is the limit. Make 2019 the best 2019 of your life, and I hope that you're enjoying all these fun hacks and tricks and things of that sort. So see you guys. Thank you so much.